Magandang umaga po. Welcome po sa programang Good Morning Philippines, and this is JMP Profiles. We are sharing stories in different aspects of life. So, ngayon po, kami po yung napakontak sa inyo just to share your experience. Kasi bilang Pilipino po sa United Kingdom, alam ko napaka-importante sa inyo yung ma-encounter po si King Charles or any members of the royal family. Can you share
Yes po.
us about dun sa video po ninyo na na-encounter po ninyo malapitan as in, actually may conversation pa nga kayo, medyo mabilis lang. Can you share us yung encounter po ninyo kay King Charles?
Yes po. Ang nangyari kasi from last month, actually, we are in Guernsey, Channel Island. So, hindi kami from mainland United Kingdom talaga. It's part of their crown dependency. So, from last month pa lang, sinabi na nila na bibisita nga sina King Charles tsaka si Queen Camilla. So, naisip ko naman, this is a once in a lifetime experience kasi hindi naman every time may royal visit sila. Especially the last time siguro na nandito sila was 2005 something or way before. And then so yun, and that day din kakatapos ko lang ng night shift. So sa isip ko, oh gosh, matutulog ba ako or I will get that chance to go and see them. So, like what I've said, once in a lifetime, kaya yun, pumunta na lang ako and then sinama ko din yung mga friends ko tsaka yung family ko. Just, to get our chance na makita din yung royal family. So, yun yung nangyari on that day.
Okay. How important sa inyo, ma'am, na ma-encounter po or makausap or magkaroon ng experience na makita harap-harapan or magkaroon ng conversation with King Charles bilang Pinoy na nagtatrabaho po dyan?
For me po, no, it's very important kasi well, Filipinos are known all over the world naman, and then not every Filipinos will have the chance to meet and greet King Charles. So, I don't know, kasi dito sa Guernsey, we are less than 1,000 Filipinos lang. So, kukunti lang talagang mga Pilipino dito, unlike nga sa mainland. Tapos, I don't know, napaka-overwhelming. Parang, parang you're daydreaming even up to this moment na makausap talaga si King Charles and meet Queen Camilla at the same time.
Parang nawala ata yung pagod niyo, ma'am, no? From the
Oo! Parang, when I went there, parang I brought a big cup of coffee ba kasi nga galing night shift, parang lurag-lurag pa and stuff. So pagkakita ko talaga sa kanya, parang, we were melting, parang kinikilig, parang, ay, ready na ako ulit mag-night shift kahit ilang nights pa yan.
parang
Nakakakilig.
parang talo pa nun, ma'am, yung no, yung meeting artist dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi parang nangyayari
Ay,
yung sa Pilipinas pag may mga artista.
kaya nga, alam mo, kahit nung nakita ko nga yung post ni Taylor Swift, 'di ba Taylor Swift? 'Di ba nakita niya yun si Prince William ata yun or si Prince Harry. Parang kinikilig na siya. Prinsipe nga lang yun, 'di ba? What more kung si King Charles talaga? Parang I don't know, para bang nagme-melt yung heart mo. I mean, we're not naman royal fans or we're not royalist, no? Pero to see someone very famous, I mean, the most famous monarch siguro sa buong mundo. It's from United Kingdom. So, ewan ko, no words. Overwhelming.
Opo. Ma'am, parang napansin ko dun sa video po ninyo na shinare sa social media. Parang meron kayong konting conversation kasi alam naman natin how important yung every seconds or every minute ng oras
Yes.
ng royal family. Anong tumatak sa inyo, ma'am? Or anong nabanggit niya na naaalala po ninyo?
What's funny, kasi nung medyo malayo-layo pa siya, parang kinikilig na nga kami. I don't know if you've seen the video yourself, pero parang, oh my gosh, King Charles, malayo pa kami, but we're just trying to contain ourselves ba? Kasi nga, ayaw naman naming mag-skandalo, sisigaw-sigaw, and baka kunin kami ng mga security guard and, paalisin. So, nung palapit na talaga siya, parang, oh my gosh, King Charles, ganun lang talaga yung parang words namin. Nung nakausap na namin siya, nung nasa harap na namin siya, sabi niya lang, kasi nga nagki-King Charles kami, sabi niya agad, are you all from the Philippines? So, wala kaming mga flags doon, wala kaming mga, whatever to show na we're Filipinos, maliban na lang siguro sa, we're very noisy. Tsaka yung iba sinasabi, kasi yung accent ninyo, ano naman magagawa natin, Filipino tayo, di ba? So pagkasabi niya, are you all from the Philippines? Yun. Sabi namin, yes, we're from the Philippines. Tapos sabi niya lang, you're all wonderful people. You're all marvelous. Yun yung pagkasabi niya. Tapos, tinanong niya ako agad, where in the health sector do you work? Parang parang na-conclude na siguro ni King Charles na majority ng mga Filipinos work in the healthcare sector sa United Kingdom kasi he doesn't have a clue kung saan kami nagtatrabaho, ano yung trabaho namin dito. And thankfully naman, I happen to work in a healthcare sector. I am a nurse actually sa nursing home. Kaya sabi ko, yes, I work in a nursing home. Parang kinikilig lang ba? Tapos sabi niya, thank you for all you do. Parang gano'n lang. Tapos nag-move na siya sa next na tao. So, kahit yung yung short conversation with him lang ba, tapos na-recognize niya na we're from the Philippines. It's just so heartwarming ba?
Opo, no? Parang isa yun sa pinaka-memorable moment po ninyo working abroad, especially in UK. Tama ako, ma'am, no?
Yes po, kasi I haven't even met the president of my own country. Never mind, the royal family in this country. So,
Nag-sink in na ba, ma'am? Or up to now,
hindi pa din.
overwhelming pa rin?
Overwhelming. Alam mo, after nga nung na-meet ko si King Charles, I needed to sleep kasi nga magna-night shift ulit ako. Hindi talaga ako makatulog. Para bang, nakalutang ako or parang hindi talaga nag-sink in. Tapos, yung video na pinost ko, I just happened to post that out of excitement kasi out of how many Filipinos dito, nakita ko si King Charles in person. So, pinost ko lang talaga yun para makita ng family and friends ko back home na, I've seen the King. Tapos yun, pagising ko, yun na parang marami nang nag-share, nag-view, nag-comment. So, nakakataba talaga ng puso.
Oo. Lalo na yung ma'am, siguro it will have an impact dun sa mga Filipino rin na nagtatrabaho dyan. Kasi iba na-recognize niya na Pilipino kayo eh.
Kaya nga, yung, as in, parang I don't know, parang na-feel niya ata siguro yung vibe ng mga Filipino. Kasi parang, we don't hide our emotions naman. When we're happy, we really show it. Parang nag-radiate ba na, magandang vibes to. And Filipinos are really positive naman. We all have nice, reputation all over the world.
I believe meron siyang mga Filipino na mga nagtatrabaho sa kanya, especially sa
Yes.
bahay po ata nila.
Yes po. Tsaka sabi din ng iba, yung nanny nga ni na Prince Harry and Prince William is a Filipina or was a Filipina. Tapos yung nag-aalaga daw sa kanya sa hospital sa London, may mga Filipinos din. Tsaka kay Princess Kate, so, Touches of Kate, no tawag doon. Dami kasi nilang mga name title.
Oo nga, ma'am eh. Pero ngayon po, pwede bang malaman kung gaano kahaba yung binahe po ninyo, ma'am, going to the venue para lang makita si King Charles? Kasi nabanggit niyo na malayo kayo.
Yeah, yes. No, I am in Guernsey, Channel Islands, no. So they came here kasi Crown Dependency. Parang ito yung what's happening kasi now na naging king na siya, he's going to visit every single places ata na that belong to them. So, I live here in Guernsey. Pumunta sila dito sa Guernsey. Yung bahay talaga namin, 10 minutes walk lang talaga sa town. So naglakad lang talaga kami papunta doon. So it's not that we've traveled too far naman, pero I don't know, parang overwhelming pa din ba?
Ano pa lang reaction, ma'am, ng family po ninyo sa Philippines nung may kwento po ninyo and makita rin nila yung video?
Ay, alam mo naman yung mga Pilipino, kinikilig sina mami at daddy ko, yung mga sisters ko, sister and brothers ko. Tapos hindi sila makapaniwala ba? Sabi nila, oh my gosh, nakita mo talaga, how does it feel? Ano ba, gwapo ba siya? Ano ba yung kamay, makinis ba? Yun na yung mga usual questions naman ng mga Filipino. Pero, I don't know, they still can't believe as well. But they're very proud of, of me na na-recognize nga ng king na we're from the Philippines. So, wala lang, kinikilig din sila. Di pa din
Baka
makaget over.
isang malaking achievement po yan, ma'am, no? Working abroad, especially in UK.
Yes po, kasi I've been here for nearly 11 years na. Tapos sabi ko nga sa husband ko na, even before, sabi ko, I still wish to see the royal family. Kahit si Queen Elizabeth pa yun that time. Sabi niya, ay, goodness me, yung chance mo na makita na yung royal family is next to zero. Kasi hindi naman sila nagbi-visit ng ganyan-ganyan lang ba? And you really need to know their itinerary and then, to be there as well. So, yun, sabi ko, oh my gosh, maybe I will never ever see them. Pero nung nangyari yun, sabi ko, my goodness, my dreams do really come true, when the time is right talaga.
How I wish, ma'am, na kami rin. Kaya lang
I
medyo malayo
know.
talaga, no? But anyway,
I
anong
know.
mensahe po ninyo, ma'am, sa mga Filipino, especially na nagtatrabaho sa UK, with the same dream na kahit papano makita or makamayan yung kahit isa lang sa member of the royal family, pero nagawa nyo, King Charles pa rin po and Queen.
Kaya nga. Kaya nga, I mean, for me as a fellow Filipino, ang masasabi ko lang talaga, we need to keep up what we're doing kasi that's how we shine. And that's how we are recognized all over the world. Even King Charles can tell already that we are from the Philippines. And that's because of the good things that we have done in their country. We left Philippines and worked in another country, served other people. So it's a big thing for them. And for those who are dreaming to hopefully see them, one of the royal family one day. I mean, just keep dreaming and then, keep track probably of their itinerary. And then it's just, when it's really meant for you, it's for you talaga. So
Hopefully, makita rin nila, no? Yung mga, lalo-lalo na yung mga Filipino na nandyan po, ma'am, lalo na yung matagal na nangangarap din ma-meet na yung royal family. Anyway, baka may gusto kayong batiin, ma'am, sa naiwan yung family dito po sa Philippines. Go
oh
ahead.
yes, hello to my family po, my mommy Gemma, my daddy boy, my brother and sisters sa Iligan City because I'm originally from Iligan City. So, hello, I'm here. And to all my friends po and loved ones there. So, thank you so much.
Mga kabombo, yan po si